wash the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! Good job. Good job. Kinda did it, didn't you? Want to do it again? The itsy bitsy spider. No, we don't get to drill right now. Well, how did the drill go? Really? I know. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. They scare you. Yeah. I went grrr, like that. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's the drill. Oh, that's heavy. Is this the culprit? Is this the thing that made that noise? What did it do? Yeah, it went bzzz. Right? She just confronted her